31 minutes until the market closes on this beautiful Tuesday. A little chilly and windy, though, here in the farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. In fact, what is the temperature? Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the current temperature, 49 degrees, and going to have an overnight low of 35. That's chilly. No, it looks like 32, 31 degrees overnight low. So we'll check on my parka so I don't freeze to death in this still wintry bluster. S&P 500 with the SPI ETF trying to get back to 407. Markets are off their lows of the day, but still downtown to Chinatown. Wanted to go to the main board over on Robinhood because I think I've got some things to do that might make sense. If they don't, make sure to call me out in the comments below. I don't make sense at all, Bart. I was looking all the way down here. Where is it? All the way down to this Pfizer. Hold on. Has that number changed since I looked at it? A little bit, yes, but not too. No, not really. So I've got this $45 call on Pfizer, which is currently trading under $40 at $39.42. And it's all the way out to May 19th. So it still has a month to go, but I can buy it closed. Right now, I could buy it closed for $72, and we collected $504 on it 30 days ago. So I think we should do that. And here's the idea behind it. So let's do a little math, make a little love, get down tonight on this particular trade that we just did. So we've got the 504 we collected, right? $504. And we just paid $72. $432 was the net profit of the trade. $432 bills, but we don't know our cost basis, do we? We don't know the cost basis. I know we're above 40. I think we're like 44 something. 46.20. Oh, get the cardiac machine ready. Okay, so 46.20, right? 46.20. And we have in that trade 2,400 shares. So that gives us essentially, let's do the math. Let's do it live. Do the math right here. So there's our 432. That was our net profit from that trade, and it was a 30-day trade. But we have 46.20 times 2,400 shares. So, whoa. So we've got $110,880 on the table with Pfizer. So we take the 432, we divide it by the $110,880. That's our return divided by 30 multiplied by 365. Wait a minute. That is impossible. That is not correct. Is it? No, that can't be right. Hold on, let's try that math again. $432. We missed something somewhere. Divided by $110,880. Okay, so that is our return on the trade divided by 30 days and then multiplied by 365. Why do you keep laughing? It's not funny. Why is it? It just doesn't seem possible. That's only 4.7%. Why doesn't it seem possible? So, I mean, simple math would be 432 times 12, right? 432 times 12, that would be an annualized cash in your pocket of $5,184 divided by 110,880. There you go. Your math is right. It's just a pitiful return, but it is a return nonetheless, right? It is on a stock that has been making our butt stink since we've invested in it. 46.20. It's just not had a good run. Let's look at it from 1 year. So we were at 54.48 on December 14th, and it's gone all the way downtown to Chinatown to where it currently stands at 39.40. Here's the thesis for removing that trade and putting the $432 net profit into our pocket. And that is because that's not the screen we want. Let's go to the earnings screen and Pfizer. I believe it's May 2nd. Okay, so May 2nd, Pfizer is going to announce their earnings. The thesis of removing that trade on those 24 covered calls is that just fingers crossed somehow, some way, Pfizer has a good earnings report, or at least an earnings report and guidance that Wall Street and the investors and the traders like. We get a little pop into the green. Then we bring our 24 contracts back into play and sell another round of covered calls for the dollar bills. Because obviously there just wasn't that much money left in that trade. And we still had 30 days to go. I'm still laughing about that measly annualized return. But again, it's $432 that I didn't have otherwise. So there we go on the Pfizer. We got it's 2 cups of coffee, isn't it? Yeah, it's got me a little giddy. Got a little giddy up in you. So we still have our SPY trade of the day that we're looking at. We're hoping that our thesis continues of right before the bell tolls that it runs green, because I'd really like to put another call credit spread on and try to avoid a put credit spread. So there we have it. Thank you so much for joining me with my friends Pfizer, and we will be back very shortly for our SPY trade of the day. See you in the next video.